Snorty, sniffly, and coughy might sound like a cute little trio from a fairy tale, but they're actually some of the funny sounds your baby might make. According to Stanford Medicine Children's Health, one of the more common sounds is caused by floppy tissue that falls over the voice box, partially blocking the airway when your little one breathes in. This condition, called laryngomalacia, is typically harmless. So, while all the snorting and snarfing might sound like your baby's trying to start a band, it's usually just a sign of their body developing. But if you ever feel concerned about a particularly strange snuffle, don't hesitate to check in with your pediatrician.